Assalamu alaikum, 6th class. Today we are doing exercise number 3.6, question number 8. The statement of the question is there are 416, 364 and 312 students in 3 classes respectively. Buses are to be hired to take these students for school trip. Find the maximum number of students who can sit in a bus if each bus carries an equal number of students. Here students, we have the maximum number of students. From this we conclude that we have to find the HCF. The HCF of these three numbers will be the maximum number of students. So solution of the question is we have 3 digits: 416, 364 and 312. We have to find HCF as these digits are the larger, so we use long division method. You can also use prime factorization method or highest common factor. So the largest digit is 416. Second largest digit is 364. 364 ones are 364. After subtracting, our answer is 52. 364. 52 sevens are 364. 0. So maximum number of students are maximum number of students are 52 students. Now question number 9. The statement of the question is 3 lighthouses flash their light every 16 seconds, 24 seconds and 40 seconds respectively. Find the flash together 2 pm. If they flash together, अगर वो 2 बजे इकट्ठे फ्लैश किए हैं, what will be the next flash together? तो फिर अगला जो टाइम अगला वो कौन सा टाइम होगा जहाँ पे ये तीनों जो लाइट हाउसेज हैं इकट्ठे फ्लैश करें? स्टूडेंट, you know that this is a very short time. They will be flashed together for the smallest time, so we have to find the LCM, least common multiple. By using least common multiple, we can find the time at which they will flash together again or next. So our 3 digits are 16, 24 and 40. By using division method, we can find LCM. 2 8s are 16, to 12s are 24, to 20s are 40, to 4s are 8, to 6 are 12, to 10s are 20, to 2s are 4, to 3s are 6, to 5s are 10. So our LCM becomes as 16, 24 are in the unit of seconds, so this our answer will also in second. This is the time at which, this is the number of seconds when they flash next together. They next flash together. 240 seconds, but we have to find the time. From this we can convert into minutes. As in 1 second there are 60, as in 1 minute there are 60 seconds, so by dividing 60 we can convert into minutes, which is 4 minutes. So the time, student, you know in the statement that the first flash together are 2 pm and next 4 minutes. So time at which they next flash together is 2:04 pm. They will flash together at 2:04 pm. So our question number 10 is Nahil wants to prepare some handkerchief of same size from a piece of cloth that is 9 meter long and 1.25 meter wide. What will be the largest size of a handkerchief? We have to find largest size for, so we can find HCF when no wastage is allowed. From these two digits we have to find HCF. The HCF will be the size of the handkerchief. So students, we have two digits, 9 meter and 1.25 meter. Both are in meter, but the second digit is in points. First we have to convert the point into whole number. The point digit convert into whole number. For this we can convert the both of digits into centimeters. In 9 meter there are 900 centimeters, and in 125 there are 1.25 there are 125 centimeters. So we have to find the largest size of the handkerchief. So by using the prime factorization method, we can find the HCF. Two twos are 4, two fives are 10, 5 fives are 25, and 5 ones are 5. Similarly, 125, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5. So the prime factors of 900 are 3 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5. And prime factors of 125 are 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Common factor are 5 multiply 5. First common factor and second common factor. Our HCF will be 25. So side of handkerchief is 25 centimeter, and the largest area of a handkerchief is 25 centimeter by 25 centimeter. This is the largest area, 25 multiplied 25. Next we have review exercise number 3, question number 1, part 1. Write all number less than 40 which are multiples of 2, 5, 7 or 9. You have to write the multiples of 2, 5, 7 and 9 less than 40. First we have to write the multiples of 2. Sorry. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, and next 40. So these are the multiples of 2 less than 40. Similarly, you have to write part number 2, 3 and 4. Your diary of the day is exercise number 3.6, question number 8, 9 and 10 practice, plus review exercise number 3, question number 1 practice, and remaining parts homework. Thank you.